reefs are beautiful, diverse marine ecosystems, teeming with hundreds of species of fish and other sea life. Even though they cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, they support around 25% of marine life. Other services they provide include food and income for over 500 million people worldwide, and they help protect shorelines from the damaging effects of tropical storms and waves. Recent headlines tell a scary story. Our reefs are being threatened by our warming climate. Rising ocean temperatures contribute to coral bleaching and infectious disease outbreaks. Excess carbon that is absorbed by oceans results in acidification and inhibits the growth of coral skeletons. More intense rain events cause more runoff containing pollutants, fertilizer, and sediment into our oceans. The news is especially concerning as coral reefs play an important role in our everyday lives, no matter where we live. In Florida, coral reefs account for billions of tourist dollars, and the reefs are an important source for the seafood we eat. Hey Dennis, we're out of laundry soap. Could you go to the store and get that and a few other things for me, please?
Sure, as soon as I finish reading this article on coral reef conservation, I'll head out.
Okay, maybe while you're doing that, I'll work in the yard a little bit.
Okay, aren't you glad we got all those native plants in the yard now? You don't have to mow or fertilize anymore?
Yeah, and it's great for the environment too. Car trips of under a mile add up to about 10 billion miles per year, according to the 2009 U.S. National Household Transportation Survey. If we all chose to ride a bicycle or walk for just half of those trips, we could reduce CO2 emissions by around 2 million metric tons a year. And assuming an average fuel mileage of 22 miles per gallon and an average fuel price of $3.50 a gallon, we would save over $800 million in fuel costs per year. Stormwater runoff containing fertilizer, herbicides, and pesticides is a major contributor to poor water quality. Plants native to your area are adapted to local conditions and don't require fertilizer and very little water after establishment. They reduce runoff, trap sediment, and provide habitat for wildlife that contributes to a thriving ecosystem. Dennis returns from the store with products that aren't in plastic containers. Many plastic products end up in our oceans. Plastic not only suffocates and kills corals, sponges, and other invertebrates, but it also increases the likelihood of reefs suffering from coral-killing diseases. These are all examples of small things each individual can do to protect coral. As Margaret Mead once said, "Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. It is the only thing that ever has."